Hey family, you ever wanted some blueberry muffins, but you don't have the time to make them homemade from scratch? Betty Crocker and Buffy, we got you. Come along. Let's get started. We're going to be making Betty Crocker's muffin tops, the blueberry version. I already have the pack in there from the box, and it calls for 1/4 of a cup oil and 1/4 of a cup water and 1 egg. I had to get a towel, wipe my hands off. Okay. And I'm going to be using this Holstein 12-count cupcake maker. That's what I'm gonna make them in. I've been meaning to use it and I kept forgetting. Today I'm going to use it. Got it off Amazon and I washed it. Now the oil, the water, and the egg, that's all that the mix calls for. But y'all know that's not what I do. So I'm gonna add some vanilla. 2 tablespoons. And this Holstein is heating up. And you see the green light. When it goes off, it is fully heated up and we can add the mixture, the batter. This batter has quite a few of those little blueberries, so I'm surprised by that. A good surprise now, I'm not complaining. I saw somebody else use this and they said to fill, I'm talking about the Holstein cupcake maker, they said to fill it to the top, to the brim, to get the best end product. The green light has gone off, the red light is on, let me know it's fully heated. I'm going to add a little nonstick spray to it. Should have done that probably before I heated it up. Okay, so I got a tablespoon because I didn't know how else to get it in there. Oops. The batter has a consistency of cookie dough batter. It comes with a crumb topping, and it said to sprinkle this on top once you have the batter in the cupcake containers. And it said to do about 1/2 teaspoon cupcake, but I'm just eyeballing it. Okay. Now we just close this up. Move it out of the way. I'm gonna move this over so you can see it even better. Lock it. And we wait about, it says 7 to 10 minutes. So, okay. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to use my handy dandy cake tester. It's coming out clean. So I'm going to say it's done. Took 10 minutes. Yep. So all you do is unplug it because there is no on off button. You don't want to use anything metal. So plastic or wooden to pop them out. Okay, I thought this would be a little bit easier. There we go. And these are hot, so be careful when you take them out. So quite a few muffins all through there. Quite a few blueberries all through there. I think I said muffins. So far I like this thing. Cleanup should be easy. Said to just use a damp cloth. You know, I have soap on this. I have dish soap on this towel. And I'll be getting the broom out to sweep up what I'm dropping on the floor. Or else my dogs will eat it and then they'll probably get sick. I don't have that money. Again, be careful because this is hot. Cleanup is a breeze. I like this. So if you don't want to turn on your oven, get your kitchen all hot. Get this little Holstein maker, cupcake maker. Works like a charm. I don't take credit for discovering this though. YouTube channel Miss Brazil, she found this and I saw it on one of her videos and said I gotta try that. Thank you, Miss Brazil. This is a winner. I guess I should show you the muffins. Supposed to be muffin tops. Okay. I'm gonna give one a taste test. But these are good. Yeah. Quick, easy, simple ingredients. Water, oil, egg. You don't have to add the vanilla, but I encourage you to add it to give it a little bit of flavor. That crumb topping, it's kind of like, it's sweet, so it's probably more sugar than anything else. So I don't know if you need that or not. But overall, I would say try these. These are good. Thanks for watching, family. If you haven't already, like the video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to the channel. And try these Betty Crocker's Blueberry Muffin Tops. And also try the Holstein Muffin Maker. Both of them are good buys. Till the next video, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now.